Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Lisa. Definitely make sure you subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I curl my short hair, even if you suck, because I suck at curling hair. I just want to quickly thank foxybae for sponsoring this video. They sent me their rose gold 7-in-1 curling wand. I used 2 of the barrels to create this look right here. Their barrels are made from rose gold titanium, which will create the longest lasting curls ever. Like, these will last you until the next time that you wash your hair. And the rose gold titanium is also really healthy and leaves your hair super shiny. And this is perfect for people whose hair doesn't really hold a curl. My hair personally does not hold a curl very well. Usually right now it would already be flat, and of course if I run my hands through my hair a lot, they're gonna fall a little bit, but I can already tell difference. Usually my hair would be so flat now. That's why I never really curl my hair, because it never lasts. I did this get ready with me for back to school a couple months ago, and I tried to curl my hair, and then at the end of the video my hair was literally straight. And the reason why this is so amazing is, as I said, there's 7 different barrels, so you really don't need any other curling wand. This is the only curling wand you'll ever need, because you can just switch out the barrels to a bigger one, smaller one, whatever you please. And I used 2 different barrels on this look. Let me see, is this one still hot? No. Okay, so I use this one, which is the smallest, just regular barrel, and then I use this one, which I'm not gonna touch because it's still hot. I don't know what you call this, but this is a really cool one, and I'd never tried this on my hair before. It left a really nice curl that wasn't too defined, and it looked more like a beachy wave. I don't know. Also, if your hair is damaged like mine, they have an amazing temperature control. There's so much control in this one. You can literally up it by 1 degree Celsius or whatever you want to do. They also currently have holiday bundles going on, which basically are just discounted bundles to save some money. And they also hooked me up with a coupon code, which is just Lisa in all caps, for 60% off their whole website. I feel like this is a perfect Christmas holiday gift. If you have anyone in your family that loves curling their hair and that's using this older, raggedy, dusty curling wand, definitely consider buying this for them, because I feel for anyone who curls their hair on a daily basis, this is the most amazing thing ever. So that is pretty much all that I wanted to mention. Let's just go and get started with curling our hair. My hair is a little bit greasy, but I think I'll just put a little bit of dry shampoo in it to fix that. I don't know which barrel I will use. I've never tried one of these, so I feel that might be really cool to grab a piece and do that. Since my hair is short, I'm trying to figure out which one is best to use. This one would be nice. I feel this one would be a little bit too big probably. Or we can just alternate. So that's the nice thing about it. You can just alternate since there's so many different options. I think I'll start out with the smaller wand. Turn it on. And right now it's red, obviously, because it needs to heat up. Now, of course, before I apply heat to my hair, I need to use a heat protectant. So I've just one from Sios, just random. I feel it's just always better to curl your hair when it's a little bit dirtier. I'm just gonna grab half of it up, I think. And I'm just going to clip one side away so we know what we're working with. Okay, let me put on my glove because I obviously don't want to burn my hand. I'm gonna put it on my left hand because I'm going to be grabbing the barrel with my right. It's heated up at 180 degrees Celsius now. I think I'm just going to try out one section and see how it goes. I'm leaving out a little bit at the end just to see. Okay, that looks pretty good, I think. It's going to be hard to grab all those tiny sections in the back because this is so short. This looks so funny. These pieces are going to be easier. The ones in the back are kind of hard because they're so tiny, but basically I'm just gonna wrap the hair away from my face and leave some of the ends out. I haven't really curled my hair since before I cut it, because before I cut it, it was still pretty easy to curl because it was a bit longer. And then when I cut it, it was just at such a short, awkward length. It's just really hard to curl. These bottom pieces are so hard to curl. But yeah, I'm not going for a super defined curl anyways. But I am taking quite small pieces at the bottom just to make sure that everything's curled. And I'm just curling away. I should probably alternate though, right? gonna curl this one the other way. I'm gonna do this side, which also has the really short pieces. Oh, I need to switch my glove. Oh, these pieces are so annoying, dude. You also can't leave them straight because it's gonna be noticeable. I'm struggling. As soon as we get to the top, it's gonna be a bit easier. It's just this bottom portion is so difficult. I don't know if you can see that. I'm like grabbing them from the back, just wrapping them around a bit. I feel like this is gonna turn out really, really cute, guys. I'm pulling them apart a tiny bit because I don't want it to be too tight of a curl. When we get to the last top section, I'm gonna grab a bigger barrel so that we can create a bit more of a looser, bigger curl. I'm leaving out the ends because it leaves more of like a messy look, and also it's just better to like leave out your ends because your ends are the most damaged of your hair, at least for me anyways. Grabbing a little bit of dry shampoo, and I'm just gonna spray it in my root right here so we get that done. Even if your hair isn't dirty, sometimes spraying a little bit of dry shampoo really helps just give you a bit more volume and like make it look a bit more messy and not as soft looking. Why is it so hard to like do the other side? Like, I don't get it. My arm's getting tired. Okay, put some dry shampoo in there. So now we're going to go ahead and do the top. And for this, I think I'm going to change the barrel. So I'm going to turn it off. I'm probably going to put on my gloves so I can take off the barrel. Ow! Oh, I just burned myself. So I think I actually just want to put this one on and see what it looks like, because I've never curled my hair with anything like this. So I want to see what it looks like. If I don't like it, I'll just grab a bigger, like, regular barrel. Oh, it's actually kind of nice. Maybe I'm not even doing it right, but I like how it's turning out. This side is a little bit more defined just because I'm better at doing that side. I think we always have one side that's curled a little bit nicer than the other. I might just flip it around a bit like that. And I'm just going to get some gel, lay down my baby hairs, even though I already have foundation on. Hopefully that's not going to look nasty. But I always like laying down my edges of my baby hair, especially when my hair starts growing out because my hair is naturally curly. I'm just using the Got2b Ultra Glue, the clear one, because this is the only gel that actually keeps my baby hairs and edges down all day and even sometimes longer. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also make sure to turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I will leave all of foxybae's links down below, so if you want to purchase anything or just check them out, all the links will be down there. Also, if you want to keep up with me besides my videos, I will have my social media links down below as well, so you can come follow me and hit me up because I love talking to you guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.